Your first job before showings is a strategic hide and seek. Removing a few distractors can mean more offers. Family photos and sentimental art remind visitors they are in your home, not theirs. Box them up before week 1 of marketing. Prescription bottles, mail and financial statements, broadcast private details, and tempt sticky fingers. A locked drawer keeps both safe. NAR data show neat, staged rooms help 83% of buyers visualize living there. Cluttered surfaces point straight to price cuts. Allergies, odors, and chewed toys plant doubts buyers remember long after they leave. A quick sweep neutralizes the risk. Hide toasters, trash cans, and scattered toys to show off space, storage, and easy living. Empty surfaces feel like square footage. That simple declutter plus smart staging makes it easier for buyers to fall in love, often netting quicker sales and better terms. Selling anywhere in the Northwest and West Chicago suburbs? I will create a room-by-room plan that protects your price.